Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing a review on the brand Fioboc. Fioboc is a brand known for its stylish and technically advanced clothing. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of their best sellers, as well as some of their new pieces that just came out that I'm very interested in. So let's get into it. I've been really looking forward to the package. The pieces look amazing online. So I'm actually very hyped for these pieces. As you guys can see, I got 6 of them. The packaging is pretty nice, right? It's nice and simple, keeping the clothing safe. Pretty standard. So we're gonna start with the best seller on the website, which is the Staycool collection. First piece I got from the Staycool collection is gonna be a classic white t-shirt. I will preach this every single time in every video. Classic white t-shirt is an essential at all times, especially for the summertime. This is gonna be must have. It literally goes with everything. You can never go wrong with a crisp white t-shirt. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you guys right now. So right off the bat, the material, it's cool to the touch, I guess is where the name comes from. All right, sorry about that guys, the camera died, but I also got the crew neck variation to it. I'm not a big fan of V-necks. So this is gonna be perfect for casual day out. You can layer with this t-shirt and just elevate your outfit a little bit. You guys know how hot it gets during the summer, so this cool tech material is going to be go-to. I wish you guys can feel it, but unless you purchase and you feel it yourself, you have no clue what I'm talking about. Best way I can describe it is when you touch it, it's like the fabric is cold. So you can see why that would be beneficial during the summertime. Next up, we have this navy blue colorway. Same exact t-shirt in the curb hem, more of a bold color compared to the white one. Now the reason I got this one is because I don't have too much blue in my wardrobe, and the navy blue is kind of growing on me recently. So you guys can see there the curb hem at the bottom. By the way, they also do offer a slim fit variation of these t-shirts. So if you like more of that slim fit aesthetic, which I actually do, but I decided to switch it up and go with a classic fit. I don't know, either way would work. And then last but not least, my favorite colorway. Look at this dark brown color. Brown has come a long way recently in fashion, just because I don't ever remember wearing the color brown. I think I hated the color brown, and I don't even know why. It's become extremely popular in the last couple of years. It's just perfect, right? It's a neutral color, which if you notice, it's a kind of a trend on what I prefer to wear, just because neutral colors make it super simple to create outfits, and you don't really have to think too much. You can just put an outfit together, throw something on. They're all neutrals, you know they'll go together, and then you're good to go. This color is going to be creating a lot of different outfits, and you'll definitely stand out from people just wearing the simple black and white basic colorways. Big fan of this brown color. So there we have it. We have the classic t-shirts. So let's put those to the side. Now let's jump into the pieces I'm looking forward to the most. These are the half zip mock neck shirts. First up, we have the black colorway. So if you guys can see the mock neck right there, it's also a long sleeve. And this one is actually a slim fit. It has a straight bottom to it, no curb hem on this one. But as you guys can tell, this is gonna be perfect for working out or casually wearing it. So this specific one is part of the smooth blend. The way they describe the smooth blend on the site is as soft, breathable, and durable. Now, I can already tell you right off the bat, the material is extremely soft. It's really, really smooth, definitely breathable, and it is stretchy as well. The only option for this is a slim fit. I'm a big fan of the gym, and you've probably seen people wearing the zip, this half zips, right? They look freaking jacked. I'm a huge fan of this. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. I did get a black color, which I'll show you guys there. You can never go wrong with the black colorway. The next one I got was a white colorway. It also does come with a zipper, nice, clean, smooth zipper, doesn't get stuck or anything, good quality. So here's the white one. Once again, it's very stretchy. It's gonna be form-fitting, but not really, really tight on the body where it's kind of uncomfortable. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but slim enough to where it's gonna emphasize your physique, but once again, comfortable enough to not be constricted. So I see myself wearing this a lot to the gym, and I can definitely see myself putting some casual, maybe a little bit more elevated looks with these t-shirts through layering. The only thing that worries me is that the white colorway, it could easily get dirty or stained, so I have to be careful, but I love the white colorway on it. What do you guys think? Last but not least, we have the chestnut colorway, which is kind of like a maroon color. By the way, Fioboc also lets you select if you want a contrasting zipper or a same color zipper, so it can blend in or stand out. I went with the same color, but look at that. Look at that color. No brands or logos anywhere. But yeah, I can definitely vouch for these pieces and the quality of the material. So overall thoughts, this is, by the way, an honest review. I'm not getting paid to talk good about the brand or anything like that. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion after trying on the clothing as well as the review itself. First things first, the zip ups. I think Fioboc did an excellent job. I wouldn't change anything about the zip ups. I think they're amazing, and they're gonna be my go-to moving forward. When it comes to the classic t-shirt, I'm a big fan of the Staycool material. Things I don't like about the classic t-shirt, I don't like the curb hem. I'm not a big fan. And also I felt like the t-shirt was a little bit too long in length. I mean, I usually go with the large with everything. So I don't know if it's a sizing issue or if I just didn't select the right size. Maybe I should have gone with a medium. That's one thing that I would mention to you guys is the length is a little long, and then also it does come in a curb hem. But even then, it's not a huge deal to me. I would just simply tuck in my t-shirt. I do that anyways. So that would be the only thing I wasn't a huge fan of. Other than that, I'm a big fan of these pieces. Material stands out amongst any other brand I've tried in the past, and I've tried a lot. So if you're on the lookout for affordable, high quality brand, I definitely recommend you check out Fioboc. I'll see if I can get you guys a discount code. Everything will be linked below. Once again, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know which shirt you like the most in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.